ready to take a bath, baby? Oh, she might be hungry. First, Mommy's gonna take you a bath first, okay? Okay. It's okay, baby.
I know that, baby. Mommy had to take a bath like this.
Mommy's taking care of you. Good, baby. See?
It's hard to take a bath like that, baby, huh? I know that.
You did a good job, baby. Now you're fresh and you're clean and you're ready to start the day. Oh, you look so pretty. Why is my baby looks? Let me see the beautiful eyes, baby. What do you want to do today? Here we go.
Ang baby ko na yan. Ang baby ni mama na yan.
Whoa, look at this pretty girl. Look at this pretty girl. Uh-oh, really? Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. What you want? You hungry? You hungry now? Oh, yeah. You're hungry, huh? Okay, you spent all day in the bathtub. We watched some movies this morning. What else you want to do, huh? What else do you want to do, baby? Look at those legs. She did some squats today. 10 squats today. That's what I need to do. I need to work out. Whoa, that's a pretty girl right there. I can't believe how pretty you are. Love you.
Ay, press na. I love you too. Opo, 1, 2, 3 lang. 1, 2, 3 lang ang ligo ng baby ni mama. Ay! Aching! 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 Naligo yung baby ni mama na yan eh. Fresh na yung pipa ni mama na yan.
It took us like almost an hour to get to this park. It was like 3 kilometers away, but it ended up taking us like over an hour to get here. The name of this park is called Guadalajara Park. Once we got here, it's basically just like a neighborhood, a maze getting through here, and everyone that lived here didn't know how to get here, and it was like ridiculous. But anyways, we're here. We're gonna walk around, do some exercise, and just have some family time, right?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Sino kaya ba?
Y'all did good, Arn.
Look at Pipa. She's so cute. Pipa.
Oh,
Look at the legs. Oh.
Pipa.
Alam niya kung pag kinakamera na siya. Kaya tinan mo, oh.
You'll be going to the States na, no? Doon na yan.
Cute. Alright.
What's your name?
You're talking too much.
Oh, look at this princess.
Cute.
so cute.
Oh my God.
We are at my Ate Vigi's house, and we are finally picking up the box that my mom and my sister-in-law and I think everyone else here in Pensacola sent to us. We're gonna make a quick little video and show you guys what's in the bag.
Your Lolo Cerny and Lola Perla.
Arlene shirt.
And
All
blouse.
right, paradise. I like that.
Wow. I think this is fit for me.
Uh oh, she looks like she's going down. She's going down.
Oh yeah, she's going down, Daddy. Wow, a long dress.
Long dress. That's towels.
Yes, for you. This is for you, baby. Hello.
That's for traveling. Let's see. This is from Teresa. Right there.
Wow.
Look how pretty that is.
This is for my baby Pipa. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that's so cute right
So
there.
cute. Love Daddy.
Oh, she's got some bibs now, finally.
Yes, wow.
Oh, that's like PJs, pajamas.
Wow. Disney
Let me see
baby.
how. Let's see how it looks right there. Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa, that looks good.
Yes.
She has all kinds of blankets.
Yes.
That's definitely for you. I don't think.
Thank you
There you
so
go.
much. And Lola Salve. She said, thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, Lola and Lola Perla. Oh, you have a lot of pampers, baby.
So what? A lot of Pampers. We need those Pampers.
Whoa, you have a lot of pampers, baby. See? Thank you, everyone, for giving us this.
Oh,
Yes.
it's a blanket. Daddy might even use that.
You see your blanket? Are you happy you have a lots of clothes? Whoa! 4 bottles. Oh, you have a carrier.
Carriers from Jasmine.
Yeah, thank you, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Now you have a bag. Wow, this is nice. Thank you so much, everyone. You look so pretty, baby ni Mama.
Alright, we're gonna try to see if one of these outfits fit her. Love. She has pants too. Might be like yoga pants.
Next month, this is not fit to you, baby. Wow.
Hi, baby.
Fit, Daddy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. This is so cute. This is her outfit of the day. Is that it?
Yes.
All right. Hey, thank you very much for everyone that sent us all those goodies in that box. Thank you very much, guys. We appreciate it. Love you guys. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say to the people who are watching this video right now? What do you want to say? Oh, it's like that, huh? It's like that. The little feet. I'm so proud and happy.
Look at the camera, baby.
Let me see. There you go. She's like, what is going on? Why does Daddy always have the camera on me? How can you not have the camera on this little girl? Oh my goodness, someone is getting tired again. But she's always pretending. Oh, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. But then you go to sleep, you pretend you're going to sleep, and then you sleep for just 5 minutes. Can you tell me a little bit about like why you only sleep for 5 minutes?
No, Daddy talking too much.
Say bye-bye. Love you. Nice. To my Malaysian friends. Yeah.
Swiss Malaysia.
Swiss Malaysian. Swiss German Malaysian.
Swiss, German, Malaysian,
Filipino.
Filipino, American.
Tell us your plans for your upcoming trip. What are you guys going to be doing in the Philippines?
First of all, visiting you. I'm going to Cebu, Bohol, and this other island which I can't remember. And then Rabi.
Well, we're going to Siargao as well. Go for a little surf, if that's possible.
Yeah.
Enjoy the island.
So what do you think about the Filipino people so far?
Oh, amazing. Super friendly.
Guys, what's the name of this place? Cafe?
The happy place.
You need to come here. All right.
For sure.
Let's drink.
Woo! Cafe Tribune.
I want to show you a video of people rolling over, okay? You got it, baby. Come on, you can do it, baby. You can do it. Let's see her. We'll give her 1 more minute to see if she can roll over. Uh-oh. I wanted to show our friends and family watching this video that you can roll over, baby. You don't feel like doing it? Oh, okay. Mommy's waiting for you to roll over too. There she is. Come on, you got it. Yeah. Almost had it. You want to take a break? See you roll over. Look at those little feeties. There she is. Whoa. You got it. Are you tired? Are you going to go to sleep now, huh? Yeah, she said she's tired.
Yay!
You did it.
Yay!
You did it, baby.
Yay! Yay!
Good job, baby. My friends from Switzerland, Bernie and Ravi, they're actually here visiting right now. They're here for 3 weeks. They're not actually here with us for 3 weeks, but they're in the Philippines for 3 weeks. But they're spending the first few days with us, so it's going to be our last night with Ravi and Bernie. We're going to hang out and have some dinner tonight. Either Saturday night or Sunday night, we're going back to Bicol. We're going to go there and visit family and comfort her and just kind of just be there for her mom while she is in the hospital. So we'll be leaving, going back to Bicol last minute. It's nothing that we planned, but you know, this is just something that we have to do.